Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide Insta story from all followers at once. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram account. Once you're there, head over to your profile and then just go to the three lines icon on the upper right corner and then search for hide story and live. Go for it, and here click on hide story and live from specific people, and here you need to just select the people you want to hide story from. Once you do it, click on done. Suppose click on done, and then just they will be hidden from your specific story. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.